Alright, so we're going to solve this LeetCode problem of 217. It contains duplicate. We're given an integer array named nums, and we have to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So first we're going to import java.util.arrays. Then after that, we will make a class solution, and within that we'll have public boolean contains duplicates. So here we go. What's actually might be easier if we just reset this. It gives you some starter code when you first. So let's see, we'll get the starter code. That makes it easier. That way we don't have to type class solution. That's part of the requirements for this specific challenge, is that it wants to have a specific name and a specific structure to the algorithm you submit. So inside of here, you're going to have arrays.sort. Alright, so we're going to make a for loop. So we're going to have to cycle through the array, and we're going to be comparing as we go through the array. So for int Alright, so as long as I, which is the term we're using for iteration, is less than nums.length, minus 1, because the length will be longer than the actual array because arrays start at 0. And then this term here will cause us to iterate through by going plus every time the loop runs. Now here we will have our comparison code, so we will have an if statement of if nums I equals nums I plus 1. Alright, so this will return true if this statement is satisfied. So we return true if this is satisfied, if numbers I is the same as the following term. And this sorts it, so if we had any duplicates, they would be next to each other. So that's the only reason this comparison works in this situation. And then we will also have a return false, which is the only other option that can happen here. We're either going to have true, there are duplicates, or false, there are no duplicates. There's no alternative. So return false. Let's see. We have to remember our semicolons because this is Java. We're going to submit. Alright, have a great morning, afternoon, or evening. Goodbye.